Greetings. Welcome to our vlog series. My name is Steve Clark, and my associate here is Tom Bugg. And Tom and I are going to break down for you today the products and services that Melink offers, especially how valuable they can be to the commercial kitchens.
Steve, this is a great topic. Energy in a commercial kitchen is a big deal. Most people are not aware that the commercial kitchen consumes 3 times more energy than a other commercial area.
What are the big energy users in a commercial kitchen?
So there's a lot of energy users in a kitchen, but there's 2 main components that make up over 60% of the energy use. That's cooking and the HVAC. What if I said we could solve for both of those with just one product?
Well, I'd have to believe you, Tom, but you'd have to tell me how.
So intelli-hood is a control system, and it can be retrofitted into any existing hood, or it can be installed in a new hood. And it's going to do 2 things. It's going to, 1, feel for the heat, and 2, look for the smoke. And so we're going to ramp up and speed down the exhaust and makeup air fans, and also look for smoke. And when there's a smoke that breaks the laser, we're going to ramp the fans back up to 100% fan speed to ensure capture and containment. Once the smoke is gone, just shortly thereafter, we're going to bring it back down to only where it needs to be.
So I understand that intelli-hood is used in kitchens. What types of kitchens can intelli-hood be used in?
So the better way to ask that is, where is intelli-hood not a fit? Successful applications have been lodging, senior living, restaurants, prisons. Steve, we've even installed intelli-hood in the middle of the ocean on a cruise ship. If you have a commercial kitchen, intelli-hood's a candidate for you.
So we talked about cost savings and energy savings. Where do the cost savings really come from?
So the cost savings come from 2 buckets. One I mentioned previously was the reduction of fan speed. So if we can take it from 100% and down, we're going to save the energy to rotate the fan.
Okay, and then you mentioned 2 buckets. What's the other bucket?
So the second one kind of follows the first one a little bit, but what's going to happen is we're going to reduce the amount of conditioned air that's being exhausted. So there's a lot of energy to condition the space below. And if we can bring that fan down and throttle it back, imagining closing something 50%, you're naturally going to exhaust less conditioned air. So you're going to have electric savings and probably going to have gas savings from the heating load that you're going to save.
Wow, that's fantastic. So there's cost savings from the electric motor cost savings from conditioned air. Are there other advantages that the intelli-hood offers?
Actually, there are. A couple of them would be noise being the first one. And so kitchens are naturally very noisy. There's a lot going on, there's banging, there's shouting. And so what we're going to do is bring that kitchen exhaust down from basically a fire alarm decibel more to a conversation speech, making it quieter. We're also going to make sure that we keep the kitchen in balance.
Okay, so that balance brings up an interesting topic. I first learned about TAB here at Melink. Can you tell us a little bit more about what balance is and what TAB is?
So TAB, or Test, Adjust, and Balance, is the process of going in, usually during construction, so an owner can get certificate of occupancy. They're going to check for the equipment to make sure you're having the correct amount of conditioned air, exhaust air, supply outside, and other factors. Melink was actually founded as a test and balance company. And so we are third-party, independent, and national, and we're going to work for you. And we're going to provide you with a report, a punch list, pictures, and everything that you can go back to and make sure that the mechanical and the general contractor installed your equipment properly.
Well, that sounds great. So I've heard that Melink has another product called Positive. Can you tell me about that?
Absolutely. Positive is a really neat system, and it's going to help you check for sick building syndrome and kind of be like a balancer on the wall for you. It's going to check for humidity, temperature, CO2, and pressure differential. And if it goes without outside set tolerances, it's going to send an alert to you so we can take corrective action.
Wow, it seems like Melink has a lot of products to help commercial kitchens. Thank you, Tom, and thank you, audience, for watching our vlog. We really appreciate you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.
And don't forget, there's energy to be saved.